take some flags off, then put one on the top.
Yeah, put it there. You can do it.
Okay.
Haley.
I'll take some off.
Okay.
Wait for him to come out.
Nicholas, look. See cheese?
Cheese.
I'm filming.
Ah! Wait! Time out!
Get him back, Nicholas.
Time out!
Go get him.
Hey!
You can do it. Oh, that's nice, Nicholas. Beautiful. Haley, what are you doing? Haley?
There's one down there. Ah! Wait. Time out! You can't do it.
Haley, back.
Hey!
Watch out. Nicholas, say hi, Momo. Nicholas, say hi to Momo. I'm going to show her this.
Hi, Momo.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Haley, say I love you, Momo.
I love you, Momo. Oh, wait, let's make a video more longer for her.
Yeah. Say, why don't you guys sing a song for her?
No. How about we talk to each other like we're like army guys?
Okay.
Sure.
What do you say when you're an army guy?
Sure. Okay. What's that? You'll see. Okay. Now say go when it's
Hey, Jim.
Go with
It's
the
Momo.
train. Mom.
Yeah, we're saying hi to Momo.
Christian.
Christian's resting.
I'm not resting.
Oh, you got hurt? Uh-oh, Christian got hurt.
I can't move my leg.
Haley, can you sing a song for Momo?
Wait, no, say I don't want you, Mama.
No, don't say that. That's not nice. Haley was just kidding. Haley wants to go to Florida. I see Momo, right? Haley, you want to go to Florida? I see Momo, right?
Yeah.
What else are we going to do in Florida?
Go find Momo.
And what else?
Nothing.
You don't want to go to Disney World?
Yeah.
I see Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Look at Mommy. And see Jesper and Kaja?
Jesper and Kaja.
Yeah? And Simon? And Espen?
And Espen.
And Tante Eva?
And Tante Eva.
And Tante Ingrid?
And Tante Ingrid.
And Uncle Emil?
And Uncle Emil. Mom, look what I did.
What'd you do? Don't throw snow at me with the camera.
Look.
Wow, that's beautiful, Nicholas. Look at that. The American flag on your
Mom.
snow cave.
No snow hideout, you mean?
Snow hideout.
Oh no, it's the enemy!
Uh-oh.
Get some snowballs! No, Haley! Get her some snowballs! Oh no, he has a shield!
Oh, no. Be careful. Haley, don't go too close. Be careful with those sticks, Christian, okay?
It's going to keep us from coming, and you have to cover up the hole if you want to keep us from coming.
What happened, Haley?
I'm going to get out of jail. It's going to get more snowballs.
Haley, that's not a good reason to cry. That's not a good reason to cry. Okay.
To keep us from coming.
Nicholas?
Cover this hole to keep us from coming. We'll trap you.
Nicholas.
Cheese.
Say bye, Momo. I love you.
Momo. No.
Christian, say hi to Momo. Christian, say hi to Momo. I'm going to send it.
Hi, Momo.
Haley, say hi to Momo.
No, Christian. That's to cover up stuff.